All right, dude. Tell him your name. I'm not a trick pony. I know, but don't you want to tell him your name? I don't just do shit on demand. All right, but you told me your name. These are my friends. In fact, you wouldn't even be here without Amy. Like, she's sort of like, partially like between me making you and Amy suggesting you, we're kind of like your gods. Bullshit. I'm always here. My name's Ward. All right. Why is your name Ward? 'Cause I'm like the warden of your life, Huh. The warden of my life. Really? You mean like, I keep you caged and I got the key and, I like maybe beat you sometimes and only bring you food if I feel like it and nourishment. Sometimes I might starve you for a few days. Word, that doesn't sound very nice. Damn. Well, fuck. If you're my warden, Ward, that also means that you have the key to my cell, right? That also means you have the key to my liberation, maybe. Is that true? Maybe.